Hello friends, welcome on this video tutorial. Today I will show you how to buy Shiba coin from Huobi. I will show you how to buy from a smartphone app. Go ahead and search for SHIB. Go here on the market, search here for SHIB, and you will see you can buy SHIB only using USDT. Okay, so I only have Ethereum here, and I have to convert my Ethereum coin to USDT. Okay guys, what I gotta do, just go here on the trade and you will see my balance. You see I have only Ethereum. I have $83 Ethereum. So what I gotta do, just I have to exchange. Nice. I will trade this Ethereum to USDT. Just go here on the trade, search here Ethereum, and here it is in my list. Let's just click Ethereum. Ethereum to USDT. Click here. I will choose here market order. I used to exchange all my Ethereum 100%. And I will sell Ethereum and I will have USDT. Okay, wait for the best moment. Okay, here, successfully ordered. So now I have a lot of USDT here. Let's go back, go to my balances, and you will see I have USDT money, $82 converted to USDT. Now is the moment to buy SHIB. Now just go here on the trade, go in the market, search for SHIB here, USDT and SHIB. I'm right now ready to buy some SHIB coin. Click here on the buy, and I'm here on the exchange to buy SHIB with USDT money, right? Okay, market order. I will choose 100% USDT to buy SHIB. Wait for the best moment. You can trade it right here, and let's wait when the price go down a little bit, and I hit the buy button. Okay, 1, 2, 3, bam. Okay, whoa, look at this, look at this number available. I have now SHIB coin here, SHIB coin, a lot of money in SHIB coin. Let's wait and let's keep it, and let's see if we will be millionaire by this. So thank you guys for watching. I show you how to buy SHIB from Huobi and from Binance in the other video. If you want to see how to buy SHIB coin from Binance, just see the next video tutorial. So thank you guys for watching, and God bless you.